In this tutorial, I will show you how to add someone to an Asana workspace. First, open Asana and log into your account. Look at the top left corner and click the Create button. From the drop-down, select Invite. Now enter the email address of the person you want to add. You can add multiple emails if needed. Next, choose where you want them to join. Select a team or specific project. This controls what they can access. Double check the email addresses for accuracy. Now click Send Invite. Asana will send an email invitation to that person. They just need to accept the invite to join. If they don't see it, ask them to check spam or promotions. Once accepted, they can start collaborating with you. That is how you add someone to an Asana workspace.